Oh my god, we're rich! We're rich! We're rich! We're rich! We can buy more Lamborghinis now. Oh my god. Here, Rich, is there some more money? Oh my god, there's more money. Guys, what's up? It's your boy Butch. Welcome to Imperial TV. No, I didn't mean to do that. The oh my god. I'm gonna buy another Rolls-royce, I'm gonna buy a Lamborghini, I'm gonna buy a Pista again, I'm gonna buy another McLaren, buy another property. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my OnlyFans page. It's onlyfans.com/butchhamad. So I can show you how much money I have. Yo, what's up guys? So we're here at Auto Styling at the studio. We're having Taylor over here. She's gonna be shooting with us today. Taylor Ben. Did I say it right? Taylor M. Ben. That's her Instagram. Guys, please follow her and check out her photography pictures that she has already on Instagram. It's pretty badass, pretty cool model. Beautiful as you guys see. And wait for the beautiful pictures that we're about to shoot with these son of a guns over there.
What's going on? It's AJ.
James.
And this is my student James too. So be sure to check me out at AJ Visual Photography.
Oh, one thing I didn't tell you guys, check out the wheels that I just put on this vehicle. They're made by the Los Design Works. My buddy over in Florida gave me a call. He's like, hey, yo, you got a new Rolls-Royce? Let's go put some wheels on it. I'm like, I'm not into wheels. He's like, dude, trust me, I'll make your car look good. And he sure did, actually. He did a really good job. You guys should follow them, Velos Design Works, on social media and also online. velocdesignwork.com. I believe RDBs are already using the same source, and me looking at RDBs, actually I was like, wow, I was blown away with the style. So when Carlos at Velos Design Works contacted me and he's like, yo, I got you some nice wheels, I was like, as long as they look like the one at RDB, and then I'm buying. Let me pull it up right here. RDB. So what made me fall in love with these wheels, it's this right here. Ain't that cool? Pretty badass. That is sick. So yeah, I actually did lower the vehicle, but lowering it requires air ride height adjustment. And I wanted to drive the car yesterday, so I didn't have time to actually do it. So I was like, you know what, screw this. Let me just put it back at the original heights and then try to lower it later on, and then take it back and do some calibration with the air ride height system. Yeah. Let me go ahead and move it. How do you guys like it? Cool. That looks really cool. That looks like a baller boss freaking ride right there. It looks really cool. Very cool. So after we did black it out, I kind of was like, oh shit, I regret. But when I saw the actual black pouch and I realized that it's chrome and it's like tinted dark chrome, I was like, man, I'm so glad I did what I did. That makes it look way super black, super nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me move the other cars. Woo. They need car wash. so busy. I may seem like supercar blondie, but I'm supercar Bucci, I guess. Dealing with a lot of clients at the same time. And this gets really frustrating, especially with high-end clients, which is they have more expectations, they're very, very needy, and of course, to get them back and get more business out of them is like you gotta do what what they want or what their wish is and all that. So it's difficult. It's not that easy. It's really not that easy. A lot of people would be asking us like, oh, so how easy is this? It's really not that easy because it's just satisfying all these needy clients. Yes. Oh my god, like I don't know. Even I have a lot of guys quit on me. Why? Because they're like, Butch, it's impossible. I'm like, okay, well, you gotta do it, otherwise you're gonna quit. Yep. So they quit. So I have this guy building up his Ferrari, and he is like picky to the edge, and I'm like, fuck it, we'll just do whatever he wants us to do as long as he pays, which is not bad. It's a couple $100,000 job from him every year, so we're good. So he just called me maybe 10 times already, and he's still waiting at the shop, trying to get my guy to do some stuff for him. I told my guy, dude, be patient. Just listen to what he says. I mean, he pays us very well, so we're good. Oh my goodness. I have another customer just popped in my mind. I need to go see. I need to head back to the shop and see. We got the shoot over here. So out of all the cars, which one is your favorite, guys? DM me about that because I really, really want to know. Just in case one day I say, you know what, screw this, I want to retire. I'm just going to keep one car and get rid of everything else. Tell me which one of the vehicles that you see over here is your favorite. I just want to see which one I should keep. Pablo said we should make a raffle. Yeah, we should. I mean, owning the Cullinan, and again, I'm not a Rolls-Royce guy, but after owning it, I'm like, Jesus Christ, super freaking comfortable, super luxury. Especially with the way we did the wheels, we did the blackout package, lowering it, and there were other stuff that we did too. Black on black is not bad. I'm gonna tint the windshield just a bit. I'm gonna tint this one also as well next week. It looks really cool. That's really cool. Even though it's still a little bit higher than what I was expecting it to be, but I still think for Cullinan this is the perfect height because you don't want it to seem like a truck. Oh, I've seen a post. Their RDB posted about doing Cullinans in a truck style, which is I think they cut the hatch. You know what? That'd be really cool. But not on this one, unless somebody hit me in the back and hit me so hard to where I have to cut the quarter panels out. Then I'm probably going to say, you know what, it's time to sacrifice and make a new project. I'm not giving you any ideas, but if you want to hit me, you better hit me hard. That'd be cool. So you can actually sit right here. It's actually kind of like uncomfortable because it's hitting my butthole. But it's so cool, buddy. Check me out. Oh shit, that's in my crotch. That's gay.
Okay, so where can I change?
So there's the bathroom right there. You can change, or you can go upstairs and change upstairs. Don't go to the second room. The second room has a camera. You can go in the room where there's a bed. Hi, I'm T-Ray. This is uncomfortable. You sure you want this between your crotch? Ow! Ah, I give up. Wanna shoot with him? I like his work.
I like his work too.
So let's do another shoot. Cool. And let's do lunch soon too.
Alright.
Cool. I'll message you. Yeah, I'll message you. Let me see if the gate is open. Run, run, run. There we go. Don't change your personality, please. See how
Wait, does it have
It's okay, she's gay. It's okay.
How'd you know? Okay. Oh my god.
Oh no, car, don't take her. Oh my god, now you're fucked.
Yo, this car's badass.
It is. And don't forget, subscribe.
Hey guys, I just had a great day shooting. Don't forget to subscribe to Imperial TV.